Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ufoma Oboro and it's nice and always nice meeting you here in my channel once again. So today I'm going to show you how to operate Scanfrost washing machine. So I'm going to show you how to operate and use it today. So stay right here with me so I'll take you through this video. So first of all, I'm going to start with the number one thing, which is how to put your clothes in. First of all, you plug it to electricity. Once it's been plugged to electricity and you've put on the socket, this drum here, you put water or you call a plumber to connect it to a pipe that brings in water directly. Then after that, you add soap into the water and put on your timer for it to wash for just few seconds, after which you stop it. Now what I'm showing you now is it's a regulator that shows gentle. If your clothes it's a tender fabric, you could put it in gentle, but if it's just a normal fabric, you could put it in normal, which is top that I'm turning it to. You could leave it there in normal. Now this one that my hand is right now is the timer. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 5 to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is the highest time that it could wash, and if you're still not okay, you could repeat again after it has gotten to 0. You could always repeat till the clothes it's clean enough for you to take out and rinse. Now this for this regulator my hand pointed right now, it's to drain water out of the machine. So how do you do that? There's this drainage pipe that my hand is holding right now. That is the drainage pipe. So there are two ways to let the water out. Instead that you get a lower bowl that you can put the water to dispose out, or you connect it directly to a waste pit. A plumber can do that for you. If you're using the bowl method, when you're done disposing the water into the bowl, there's a little space for you to just hang the pipe over there. Then you take the regulator back to where it was before, not drain. Now this is the spin section, where after you rinse and squeeze your clothes, you put in, but always make sure you stretch it, not a squeezed form. Always make sure you stretch it before putting it in the spin section, and make sure you don't overload it. Don't overload the spin area. So once you're done, make sure you cover it. Then before you take to the time, there's the timer for the spin section. If it's 1, 2, 3 minutes, you regulate it to whatever time you want, and it automatically takes to 0 when it's done spinning. So that's how this machine works. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.